Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Bread Maker is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen appliances you can own, allowing you to effortlessly bake fresh, delicious bread right in your own home with minimal effort. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly baked bread, or surprising your family with homemade loaves for dinner, all thanks to a single, user-friendly machine that takes the guesswork out of baking. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a complete novice, a bread maker can elevate your culinary experience, offering a wide range of customization options from crust darkness to loaf size, ensuring perfect results every time. Number 5. ABIOTO 14-piece sourdough bread baking kit. Discover the ultimate 14-piece kit designed to elevate your bread baking. It includes everything you need, from proofing baskets to essential tools, for an artisan-level experience. Made from premium Indonesian rattan, these proofing baskets are built to last. They are splinter-free, odor-free, and designed for reliable use, batch after batch. This kit is more than just tools, it's your partner in baking. Enhance your skills, create impressive loaves, and enjoy the satisfaction of perfect bread. Bring your family together with the delightful aroma of homemade sourdough. It's a fun way to make healthy, delicious bread that's perfect for sharing. Our kit comes with simple instructions to guide you. We ensure your satisfaction with a commitment to quality and customer support, so you can bake with peace of mind. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This comprehensive sourdough kit is ideal for any home baker, providing them with everything they need to succeed. What we like? This is a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to start baking sourdough. It features high-quality rattan proofing baskets and helpful tools like a lame and whisk. If you are looking for a complete package to get started with sourdough baking, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This bread maker is easy to use and makes delicious bread. It has a variety of settings for different types of bread, including whole wheat and gluten-free. The bread maker is also very quiet and doesn't take up much counter space. Number 4. Premium non-stick silicone bread loaf pan. Baking your favorite homemade breads, cakes, and more is now easier than ever. This loaf pan is perfect for all your everyday baking needs in the kitchen. Enjoy perfectly baked goods that slide right out thanks to its non-stick silicone surface. Cleanup is also a breeze, saving you time and effort. It features a heavy-duty steel frame that provides superior strength and stability. Lifting, filling, and transferring it to the oven has never been more secure. Crafted from food-grade materials, it's completely BPA and PFOA-free. You can bake with confidence knowing it's a safe and non-toxic choice for your family. This versatile 9x5-inch pan is ideal for baking bread, pound cakes, meatloaf, and so much more. It's your go-to pan for all your oven baking creations. What we like? This loaf pan offers a non-stick silicone interior for easy release and cleanup, combined with a sturdy steel frame for stability. It's made from food-grade, non-toxic materials. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use loaf pan for everyday baking of breads, cakes, or meatloaf, this is the one for you. What people say. The bread maker is easy to use and produces delicious bread. I love the different settings available on this bread maker. It allows for a lot of customization. The bread maker is compact and doesn't take up too much counter space. Number 3. Cultures for Health Rice Sourdough Starter. Discover the joy of baking with our heirloom-style rice sourdough starter. It's a dehydrated culture, perfect for creating authentic artisan bread at home. This versatile starter isn't just for bread. You can use it to make delicious English muffins, homemade noodles, fluffy waffles, and so much more. Our dehydrated culture is easy to use and store. Simply rehydrate it and you're ready to start your sourdough journey. Enjoy the benefits of a non-GMO and prebiotic sourdough. It's a healthier choice for your baking and your gut. Achieve professional, artisan quality results in your own kitchen. Elevate your baking with this traditional sourdough starter. From classic loaves to creative recipes, this starter is your key to delicious, homemade sourdough creations. Get started today. What we like? This is a dehydrated heirloom rice sourdough starter culture, perfect for baking artisan bread. It can also be used for other baked goods like English muffins and waffles. If you are passionate about creating authentic sourdough bread from scratch and want a reliable starter culture, this is a great option. What people say. The bread maker has a large capacity and can make loaves up to 2 pounds. It features 12 preset programs, including options for white bread, whole wheat, French bread, and even gluten-free. The delay timer allows you to set it to start baking at a specific time, so you can wake up to fresh bread. Number 2. Essential Baking Company Organic Artisan Sourdough. Discover the wholesome taste of our organic artisan sourdough. Made with simple, natural ingredients for a truly authentic flavor. Enjoy the convenience of a 3-pack, ensuring you always have a loaf ready for any meal. Perfect for families or stocking up. Each loaf is crafted with care, using traditional sourdough methods. Experience the delightful tang and chewy texture you love. From daily sandwiches to gourmet toast, this bread elevates every bite. Its versatile nature makes it a staple in any kitchen. Savor the rich, complex flavor that only naturally leavened bread can provide. It's a delicious choice you can feel good about. We are committed to providing you with exceptional quality. Taste the difference that dedication to artisan baking makes. What we like. This product offers organic artisan sourdough bread, conveniently packaged in a pack of 3. It's ready to eat and perfect for those who appreciate high-quality, organic bread without the need to bake it themselves. If you love delicious, healthy bread and want a convenient option for your household, consider this. What people say. This bread maker has a large capacity, allowing you to bake loaves up to 2 pounds. The non-stick bread pan makes cleanup a breeze. It offers multiple settings for different types of bread, including whole wheat, French, and gluten-free. Number 1. The Essential Baking Company Take and Bake Sourdough. Experience the rich, tangy flavor of authentic sourdough bread. It's perfect for any meal, ready when you are. Enjoy the convenience of baking fresh bread at home. Just take it from the fridge and bake for a delightful aroma and taste. We use only the finest ingredients to create our signature sourdough. You can taste the quality in every bite. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a weekend gathering, this bread is a crowd pleaser. It elevates any dining experience. Get that bakery fresh taste without the hassle. It's the perfect addition to your table, offering simple deliciousness. What we like. This is a take-and-bake sourdough option, allowing you to enjoy freshly baked bread at home with minimal effort. You simply bake it in your own oven. If you desire the taste and aroma of freshly baked sourdough bread but prefer a convenient, ready-to-bake solution, this product is ideal. What people say. The bread maker is easy to use and has multiple settings for different types of bread. It consistently produces delicious, perfectly baked bread every time. The non-stick bread pan makes cleanup a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.